Alright you guys, so I have a basket full of all the skincare products that I use on a daily basis. So now I'm just gonna dig in and show you guys what all I have in there and how I like to use them. Alright, so you cannot talk about skincare without talking about double cleansing. Now, I have not used double cleansing method for a very long time, and it's only recently that I came across it and I've started implementing in my skincare routine. And oh my god you guys, it does make a huge lot of difference, and unless you don't try it, you will not know what the fuss is all about. Alright, so first let's talk about what is double cleansing. Now, double cleansing is a method where you use a cleanser twice, basically. Goes without saying. So first you go on with an oil-based cleanser that's gonna get rid of all the dirt, accumulated, basically anything that's on top of your skin, and even goes deeper into your skin. So if you have any makeup, if you have sunscreen, because it has bigger molecules, so you need a strong, an oil-based cleanser to get rid of all of that. So that's why you go on with an oil-based cleanser first round, and then you move on to your water-based cleanser or basically any face wash that you're regularly using. So then you would go on with a face wash. So that is how I like to double cleanse. Now honestly you guys, as I just said, it's a very new discovery for me as well, and I have seen my skin change just with that one step. It is genuinely, it does work. Unless you try it, you won't know what the fuss is all about, and you need to try it. So what I like to use is, for the first product that I came across, and actually I did come across a lot of products for double cleansing, and I like to use a balm based cleanser. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is the Earth Rhythm cleansing balm. This is what it looks like. Now this is the old packaging. They have revamped their packaging, so I bought it when they were having some sale, and I bought one of these and one the AHA VHA cleanser, so I have that as well. Let me know if you guys want me to make an in-depth review about both the cleansers. I would do that. So this is the cleansing balm. This is the natural antiseptic and healing, just enriched with propolis extract. So let's open it and show you guys. This is what it looks like, and as you can see, I have used quite a lot of it, and you do not really need a lot. I have almost, like, as you can see, hit pan on it, and trust me you guys, this is really good. Now let me know, now I'll let you guys know when I use double cleansing. Now either when I'm having either when I have a lot of makeup on, every time basically I have makeup on, I like to double cleanse. I like to double cleanse whenever I feel like my skin is congested, when I have makeup on, and whenever I have used sunscreen, or I know I have used a product which is kind of thick, and I want to get rid of that while I go to sleep. Okay, so I like to double cleanse that. Even when you do not have makeup, even if you do not put on makeup, you should double cleanse at least 2 to 3 times a week. It's gonna change your skin, you guys. I like, trust me on that. So let's start with the first cleanser. Now I do not have anything on my skin right now, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I like to double cleanse. Now to get it, like, you need a very little amount. I'm just gonna take that much, a little bit more. Okay, that is enough. That is more than enough. You only need to take that much. You can literally use any balm or an oil based cleanser, or like this Face Shop cleanser, or this. I genuinely really like this. I also like the Dot and Key balm, but it has coconut oil in it, so if that doesn't suit your skin, you will not like it. So I'm just rubbing it between my palms, and as you can see, it has already melted. Now because I do not have makeup on or anything basically on my skin, so I didn't really need that much, but yeah, I'm just gonna apply it like this, and I'm just gonna massage it into my skin. Now as you keep on massaging it, I would do this for like 2-3 minutes max. If I have makeup, I might do it for like 5 minutes. So as you can see, I will just keep on massaging it. You do not have to add water at this step. You're just gonna do this on your bare, like, dry skin. So even if you have makeup, you will not put on water. You'll just use this on your dry, like with your dry hands on your dry face. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna massage it. I also like to take it around my chin, because of course these are the areas you need to give attention to. So I like to do that. I like to go near my hairline, because of course I use foundation there, and I like to take it up till my hairline. And so yeah, I like to double cleanse there as well. I will keep on massaging it because I want to get rid of everything there. Now this balm is also very good if you have like redness around your face. If it's like a healing balm. Now they have like 4 variants in them, but I have only tried 2, and this one is by far my favorite. I still have to form an opinion on AHA BHA one, because I don't know, I'm not sure. I feel like it breaks me out, but I will try it again. It's literally full, so I will try that again. But yeah, this is how I like to double cleanse. Now when you feel like you have massaged your face quite for like 2-3 minutes, then you can move on and just add water. Now when you add water to this, it gets emulsified, it gets soapy, so you can use it just like a face wash then. So if you want, you can go on with your face wash, or you can just skip it. I am going to show you guys how I like to do that as well. Now I'll just add water into this and wash my face and then come back. Alright, so I'm back, and as you can see, I have already cleansed my face. I just added some water and it got emulsified, and then I just washed it off of my face. Now we're gonna move on to face wash. Now this, I feel like this balm that I use is good for all skin types. Like I have a dry skin type. I do feel a bit stretchy but not overly dry. Like I feel like this even with any face wash, so that's okay. So even if you're like an oily skin, you can use this one, or you can just look for other variants as well. They have like 4 variants, I guess. Alright, so next up I'm going to use a face wash, and this is what I have been loving recently. So this is from Nivea. It's the Milk Light face wash, and it is the turmeric variant. Now why I really like this face wash, because it's very gentle, it's very moisturizing. Like I love this face wash because it feels really great on my dry skin type. So I really like this. I don't know how it's gonna be for other skin types, but I think it would be really nice because it's very gentle. So again, you know how to use a face wash. So I'm just gonna use this and come back. Alright you guys, so now that my skin is completely clean, you know what the double cleansing is all about. So first you go on with an oil based cleanser, and then you move on to your normal water based or any face wash that you're using. Alright, so next up I'm gonna move on to a toner, and this is the toner that I use. This is the Keep Cool and Soothe toner. This is the bamboo toner by Keep Cool. This is the brand actually. So it's a Korean brand, and it's a very soothing and very calming toner. So I just like to use this. On the days that I do not use this, I would use this. Now this is the Pixi Glow Tonic. This is the 5% exfoliating toner. This is the 5% glycolic acid. Now of course this is an exfoliating toner, and glycolic acid is an AHA, which is gonna help get rid of the texture, the acne marks, and it is also just gonna smoothen out my skin and get rid of all those tiny bumps that you guys tell me that you have. So that is why we used AHA. Now this is 5%, so you do it's an exfoliating product, so you do not have to overuse it. Do not use it like twice a week is more than enough. So yeah, that's how I like to use it. On the days I will not use this, I use this. It's simple, just put it on my hand, apply it, tap it on my skin, and that's how I like to use it. But today I'm gonna go with this because I'm gonna use another active in a bit. That is why I'm not using this, and I'll let you guys know why. So taking a bit on my skin and just dabbing it into my skin. Now of course I am gonna let this air dry. I will not use anything until this dries down. Now because I'm gonna use, if I was to use a hyaluronic acid or like a hyaluronic serum or just a moisturizer, I would go on with that product even when my skin was a bit wet. But because I'm going to use another serum which is also an active, and I don't want to you don't have to use that on wet skin. So I will let this air dry. When it is completely dry, only then will I go with my next step. Right, so now when my skin is completely dry, I'm gonna move on to the next step, which is the first active of the day, and that is vitamin C serum. Now you guys know I love using the vitamin C serum because it is just an amazing skincare product. If you want glowy skin, if you want like a bright clear skin, then you will use a vitamin C serum. Now I'm just catering my all these dark spots that you see. Now I have been using it for quite some time, and this is a very new acne mark that I just got like 2-3 days ago, so it's still fresh. But otherwise, as you can see, my skin is pretty clear, and that is because of this product and also other products. But also this always just makes an amazing difference. If you use a vitamin C serum, your skin is gonna be glowing. You will know what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna take this. Now this is, I didn't talk about the product, this is from Dr. Sheth's. I'm gonna leave a coupon code that you can use to avail 20% off on the entire website. And this, you guys, is actually a really nice product. So if you want to check that out, you can use my code to get some additional discount. And as you can see, like, I hope you can see, only this much is left. So you guys know I have been using it, I love it. So I'm just gonna take a bit and apply it. Like, I'm just gonna pat it on my skin. Now you want to pat it very gently, very like properly. This will get rid of pigmentation. If you have dark spots, or like if you have dark acne spots, if you have pigmentation, if you have darkness around your mouth, which is very normal, like everyone has that. So if you have darkness around your mouth, your nose, or you know, anywhere on your forehead, this is gonna cater all of that. But of course, you need to be very consistent. You need to use this once every day. So you can either use it in your nighttime skincare routine, or you can include it in your daytime skincare routine. So again, you need to be very consistent with all these products. Only then will you be able to see results. And it at least takes like a month to start showing results. So don't be impatient if you're using actives, or if you're using these skincare products, because they are gonna show result, but they do take this sweet little time, and let me tell you, it is worth it. I'm gonna let this completely seep into my skin before I move on to the next step. Now of course you can see a pattern here. I let every product dry and get into my skin before I move on to the next step. You should not be rushing through your skincare routine, because it's a process and you should be able to enjoy the process. You're working on your skin, you're working on yourself, so don't rush through this, and just let all the products absorb into your skin when you move on to the next product. Only then you're gonna see a nice difference. Next up, I'm gonna use this Centella and Niacinamide serum, again from Dr. Sheth's. Now this is 10% niacinamide, 1% zinc, PCA, and 0.1% sodium hyaluronate. Now you guys, you know I love niacinamide, and if you want me to talk about, like if you want to see me talk about it, I will leave this video right here where I talk to you guys how I get rid of my acne and all the acne marks thereafter. So you guys know I discovered niacinamide then, and I absolutely loved it. I love the the Derma Co's niacinamide as well, and I really like this as well. Now this, as you can again see, I have used pretty much half of it, and it's really nice. So this, basically why you use a niacinamide serum is when you want to get rid of acne marks. It also if you have like an oily skin, it's gonna keep your oil in check. It's also gonna keep your acne at bay. It's gonna prevent your skin from breaking out. And if you have like redness around your face, if you have fresh acne which is all the time, like of course it pains and it is almost all the time red, this is gonna help with that. It's actually a really nice product. You guys know I'm a niacinamide girl and I absolutely love it. So now there are of course a few myths that you cannot use a niacinamide serum with vitamin C. Now because I'm using these products simultaneously, I like to use them together. It's a very old old research where you cannot use a niacinamide and vitamin C together, but now you can, of course, because both of them are stabilized products. This vitamin C is very stabilized and you can use it with niacinamide. Now it's actually gonna do a much better job if you use them together. So I'm gonna top this niacinamide over my vitamin C serum, and I'm just gonna take a little bit, that much. Now as you can see, this is how the texture looks like. I hope you can see. Now I take only that much, and like 4 drops, and I'm again gonna pat it on my skin, and gently, even if required, I'm gonna also massage it and pat. So that's how I like to use both these products. Alright, so next up we're gonna use a moisturizer, and the moisturizer that I'm using at the moment is this one. This is the Pond's Ultra Light Gel. Now I used this moisturizer for the first time, and it's almost empty now. I think I got it last month, and it's completely like almost gone, and I really like it. Even if you have oily skin, you guys are gonna love it. And I'm just gonna take that much, and I'm just gonna massage it into my skin. Now this is very lightweight. Now I know I have dry skin, but I still really like it. It's very lightweight, and it gets absorbed really quickly. So I like this is because it's very soothing, very lightweight, and I do not feel like I have layered so many products into my skin. All these products are very lightweight. So I have made this routine because of course I have used a vitamin C serum today, so I don't want to use any other active ingredient in my skincare. So all the other products are very clean and minimal, and just very simple products. So yeah, that's how you like to you should be using that's how you should be making a skincare routine. You do not need like a vitamin C serum or an AHA, BHA, or like a glycolic acid toner or anything of that sort in your one particular routine. You should not be overdoing your skincare. So because I used a vitamin C serum today, I'm not going to use this. So on the days that I use this, I will skip my vitamin C serum and just go on with a niacinamide over it, and just a moisturizer, of course. So yeah, you need to use one shot, like one ingredient, and just everything else should be very muted and not overly active, or like that. You don't want to use a lot of active. Now as you can see, the moisturizer had seeped into my skin, and it is completely absorbed. Now I really like this moisturizer. If you're an oily skin type, you will love it because it's again very lightweight. It is not at all oily. It's a water based moisturizer. It's an oil free moisturizer, so you will like it. I do have a dry skin, but I feel like it's very lightweight, so I really like it. I don't mind using it. So yeah, that's that. Next up, for the last step, I'm of course just gonna use a lip balm now, and this is the lip balm that I have been loving. I don't use a particular lip balm. I literally have them in like every corner of my house. So whichever lip balm that I find, I use it. But right now I have this Arata lip balm with me. This is how the texture looks like. It's really nice, and it does moisturize your lips really well. So I'm just gonna apply that. I also like to go a little overboard with my lip balm because I know I'm gonna be doing makeup now, and I will be applying like a liquid lipstick, and I just want to check my lips before that. So yeah, that's that. Alright you guys, so that's it for my skincare routine, and this is how my skin looks like right after I'm done with it. And I really hope you guys learned something, you guys enjoyed it, and you will include some of these products in your skincare routine. Of course, do your own research because every skin type is different and your concerns might be different. But these products I really like, and I would highly recommend. So you can try these products out, and I will leave all the product links down below. And of course, you can also use my coupon code if you're buying from Dr. Sheth's. It's a really nice brand, and this video is not sponsored, you guys. I'm just talking about it because I really like it. So yeah, if you want, you can use my code as well. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure you subscribe and like this video. It would mean the absolute world to me. You can of course comment and let me know your thoughts on this. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.